So let me give you the ingredients for your best homemade ice pack you'll ever have. You get 2 gallon size Ziplocs, okay? In one Ziploc, you put 2 parts water to 1 part rubbing alcohol. Okay, so that's however much you want, say a cup of each, that's 3 cups. But say 2 cups water to 1 cup rubbing alcohol. And then you seal that up, and then you put the other Ziploc over the top of that, and that's just to ensure in case the first Ziploc leaks that you're not going to get all wet. You stick that in the freezer, all right? It's never going to freeze solid, okay, because of the rubbing alcohol. But the benefit of that, it's going to get extremely nice and cold, but it's going to be like a gel, so it can go around your contours of your knee, your ankle, your shoulder, just whatever you need to let that bend around, so it's not going to be so solid like ice and uncomfortable. You can bend it around. And then you just stick that back in the freezer and use it again. There you have it. Good for ice, good for you.